Hey everyone, welcome back to this Thursday weekly update. Today is Thursday, August the 6th. I want to apologize for not making a video last week. A little busy with the surprise. Speaking of which, I apologize. I will not be able to show you this video, but I can guarantee next week's video I will be able to show you what the surprise I'm talking about. So I hope y'all will come back and see that. It is very exciting. We're really happy that's happening. But this week's video, we just opened a lot of boxes. I worked on a couple transitions, so y'all can let me know what y'all think of that in the comments below. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. And that does it for this week. I want to thank you all so much for coming and checking out our channel. Yeah, well, like I said before, let me know what y'all thought of those transitions. I was trying something new with like a little fade from going across the screen. So yeah, once again, next week's video, I will definitely be able to show y'all the surprise. So I hope y'all come back and see that. That being said, if you enjoy this video, hit the like button. Hit the subscribe button if you're new here with the notification bell so you get notified when we upload, so you can know when we post that video next week. And yeah, we'll see you next week.